Hey guys, I just want to do a few locks here with the Kronos. I have had mine for quite a while, and I mostly want to do this to show a helpful lock picker. As I said to him, I have picked, opened 5-pin Ruko padlocks and also cylinders, but mostly padlocks with the Kronos. So I have two Rukos with 500 cores. The same two I have used in the Crappy Picks series and the few series before that. I have a Apis 6540 and a Bergvector Magno 50mm that I will try on. Oops. And see if we can open them. That didn't sound good. That was a Apis 6540. Then we have the Bergvector Magno. Oh, it was open. Come on. It was open just before, but I didn't kept it turning. It was open again. Come on. There we go. The problem was I was flexing it and I accidentally both times locked it again. But that was a Bergvector Magno. Then this one have a very flat bedding, so it's quite easy. But the other one not so flat. I don't have the key for it though. That was easy. And then this one. As the last one. There we go. Come on. There we go. Let's see, the key was for that one. I can't got those, but let's got these, or at least one of them. I only have one pinning tray in here, so I can only got one. I don't want to make a long video and put one of them together and got the other one, so... Oh wait, I can actually do something here. I can put one of the locks in that one. So let's start by getting the shackle out and the spring. We wait with that one. And that's the screw in there. Let's start with that one. Okay, let's see, we need tweezers and the follower. Just to show that all 5 pins are inside. And we do have those, not undercuts, but serrations in there. That was chamber 1. At least a pin, and that's the spring. and the pin in chamber 2, and the spring in chamber 2, and pin and spring in chamber 3, and the pin in 5, and the spring in 5, and then the 4th pin and the spring. There you can see all of the pins and springs, so everything is inside of that one. Then let us take this one. And take the good pinning tray here. Come on. There we go. And then we take pin 1, spring 1, pin 2, spring 2, pin 3, spring 3, pin 5, spring 5, and pin 4 and spring 4. There we go. So, oops, let's get both of them. Start over there, barrel pins, and overset trap on the key pins. That's the part that goes on the key, and that's the part inside the lock with tapered ends, and exactly the same over here. So, I know it can probably do better, the Kronos, but that's the best I have been able to open with the Kronos. I'm not so much into the pick guns as I am into the picking. So yeah, but that's I think that's still pretty good for the Kronos to do. That is very easy to open. That is a little bit more difficult, but not too hard though. And I will say I have opened multiple more cylinders and a few other padlocks with the Kronos of Rukos with better bidding than any of these two. This is just the two I have laying around for my own practice and use. So that's all you get for this little video, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.